a slow fucking computer. What do you mean? The computer's old as shit.
It's the same one Jared has.
No, it's not.
It's the exact same. You even have a faster graphics card, by the way.
Yeah, but he has a,
That's solid state drive.
yeah, I don't. See? There you go.
$50 you can have one of those.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how he got that computer. I told him to buy a hard drive before I give it to him. It's just sitting up there. Nobody's fucking using it. He's like, okay. He went and got on his phone, Amazon, got a hard drive. Like, okay, I'll bring it to you tomorrow. Like, what the fuck? Like a fucking $2,000 computer just sitting up there. Nobody's fucking touching.
Yeah, that's an expensive computer. Alright.
Water cooled and everything.
What are we playing?
What?
Yep. What mode?
Oh, I'm about to say I'm on a fucking video game waiting for you.
Yeah, what mode?
Playing? I'm driving over there just to punch you.
You be wasting gas. You know what? Bring your little cleaning
up,
kit.
Bitch.
Bring your cleaning kit. Why you come over here and punch me? We'll clean the computer.
That little thing is really useful. I forgot I had that actually.
Really?
Yeah, it's really fucking useful.
How do you forget you had that? You bought it just like what, a week? Yeah, a week ago.
I used it.
And then you forgot about it. What happened? Well, it's hard for me to forget about certain things that I actually care about in this house.
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't care about anything but certain things.
Yeah.
And I'll forget about everything except for those certain things. Because if I'm trying to remember everything, I'll go fucking batshit insane.
Well, yeah, you just.
And eventually try to murder somebody. I've been there and done that. I ain't doing it no more. I ain't doing everything either. People can figure out their own shit. I hate it. Oh, we're an outpost.
Oh, alrighty then. Outpost. I want you to know this. I got all that on recording.
Oh, what?
All your attempted murders, you know?
I don't give a shit.
All 12 of them.
When somebody say some shit. Next. I clearly don't fucking care. I mean, Jesus.
That'll be next. Alrighty then. Oh.
I mean, what the fuck? The last time I shot somebody, they gave me my gun back. They said, next time, kill him. Huh, okay.
Seriously? What
yeah,
the fuck?
that's what the fuck the cop said. It took him 30 minutes to get out here, Payne.
My God.
I called the cops on myself. I was like, oh.
Oh.
I figured somebody else was gonna do it. I must have called the cops on my fucking self.
I don't think no one else would have done it.
They
Yeah, where you live, they probably thought, oh, well, he's just shooting out in the woods.
Well, it was in the middle of the fucking road and people was all around. Like, oh my God, he's screaming this shit up there on the main road. So.
Who the fuck did you shoot at then?
The little fucking heroin addict up the road threw a rock at my dad's car when he was coming by. It pissed me the fuck off.
Alright, well, that's reasonable then.
I went the fuck up there and he started running out. I was like, I'm gonna get my rifle. We ain't doing shit. You ain't gonna do a fucking thing.
I already got mine.
Yeah. And yeah, so I shot his general direction and he ran inside his fucking trailer and made a little bitch.
I don't know what class to be.
I live a quiet life, but sometimes it turns insane. I don't know. I don't know anybody else that's been robbed at gunpoint so many times. Or stabbed a guy at the gas station.
Or who shot their own friend despite the fact it was on safety.
The bitch fucking hit the ground. I was headed pointed at the road. I can't help that, sir.
Well,
he was on safety. It clearly was.
Uh-huh.
Like,
every gun that gets pointed at me and shoots me is on safety or is on empty.
It wasn't pointed at you though, was it?
No, it wasn't. It's pointing at the ground.
Okay, I can't help that. The fucking thing just went off.
Man, these people suck.
Yeah, they do.
How the fuck they lose A and B without passing? Alright, they went past one wave. Right. No, they fucking didn't.
Oh yeah. What wave is this?
It's wave 1, I believe.
Oh.
Oh, that's saddening.
It must have been hard.
It started out with just 2 of us.
Ah, okay.
We should be able to get it.
Yeah, we should be able to.
Alright, well.
I hope so anyway, this little sucks.
I'm gonna cry later.
You cry now.
Ah! Rude.
People
Wonder
play
why.
with like, what the fuck?
Wonder why we're gonna lose. Oh god, I died.
I seen it. I seen it. I was like, somebody died, and it was
Yeah.
you.
I didn't know if I had the correct amount of bullets when I was about to click on them. I moved. Oh.
Oh fuck.
Sorry.
Rip that.
Cap's still alive. I don't know what he's talking about.
He's alive, man. I didn't kill him.
I met Pat. A dude named Pat got
Oh,
bumped.
Pat. I got you.
Oh, you said Cap.
I
Alright.
just said Cap. I was like, nah.
Alright, shit.
I thought that first shot was on his face, but I guess not.
I thought that was a teammate. I'm not even gonna lie.
Wait, yeah, he had different clothes on, didn't he?
Yes, he did.
Hey, why is the enemy wearing our clothes? What the fuck is that?
Oh no, Death Cheese is dead. Or Darth Cheese, no pun.
We got this. I ain't worried about it too much.
Yeah. No. I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. There we go. How many magazines you got left?
1 1/4.
Alrighty then. Don't forget you taunt them. Above you.
Yep. I can't leave, can I? Can I leave this little area?
Yeah, you can. You can go up the stairs. No, you don't have to, but you can. Yeah, you can go up the stairs and all that.
Oh, wait a minute. No, never mind, bro. You good. He wins. Yeah, the fire got him. Hell yeah. Fuck them kids.
That. We're gonna have to take that into context right there. You said fuck them kids.
Wait, what?
We're gonna have to put some context on that.
Who said that? That's some weird people, man.
Darth
I
Cheese.
don't think so.
Darth
You
Cheese.
okay the phone? Something wrong with you?
Of course not.
I've got a cure for that. Come on down here.
Yeah, I know you're cured. It's the American,
You should.
The American way.
That's right.
It's the only way.
Yeah, I'd rather go through the justice system where they're all pedophiles, so I should be able to get through scot clean.
You know,
But
like
that's
25
true.
cent bullets
That's
a whole lot
true.
cheaper than putting them through prison for like 40, 50 years. Just saying. I'm gonna go back in here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stay here. Man,
Not even a bullet. Fucking hang on the rope. Keep the rope.
I was about to say you can go you can buy like a $12 rope, reusable. Fucking reusable.
Pat, you're gonna get us killed, buddy. Go over here.
I thought I died.
I did too. I think I'm just gonna get right here.
Okay, I seen another one wearing a fucking.
Hey, there's somebody here named Twinkle Toes.
That was my fucking Steam
Hang
name.
on, It was on Steam, it was on Uplay, wasn't it? It's still
Yeah!
on Uplay.
It's not Twinkle Toes, it's Tickle Toes.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, it's Tickle. Yeah, fucking Trey. Me and Trey started making up names and fucking murdered both of them. I feel good about that.
I'm glad you did, 'cause Wizard Man would have died.
Yeah. I died last round. I don't want to die this round.
You're gonna pop up unless you shoot your head by accident, Pat. It says apologize in advance.
I have no I died.
Oh,
Yeah, I believe there's one at the top again.
probably is. Excuse me.
Yeah, he's in military wear. I don't. Why are they wearing military garments?
I don't know either. It's fucking with me.
Yes.
Oh, I appreciate it very much.
It's not cool.
It's actually not. I agree.
What?
He's trying to copy the Angry Sand people. Listen to him.
Ah. Alright, Twinkle Toes, don't make me come over there and lick them toes of yours.
Hey, who the person trying to take shit out of context you?
Hey, I meant that in all type of context, alright? I'm just over here licking toes. You over here talking about children.
No, I said fuck them kids.
Oh,
See? You need context on that one.
No, I didn't mean like fuck as in.
Yeah,
You
nah.
got a dirty mind. You got a dirty mind.
we all do. We're on the internet. What do you mean?
Also, that gives you the excuse to be a pedophile now, huh?
Apparently for you,
You with the dirty mind.
you're the one saying it.
Yeah, I was about
I
to
have it
say.
recorded.
Well, I got it recorded that you said that.
I said what?
On the internet makes it good.
Makes what good?
No, you're
What? You die?
I don't know.
Oh no, he's still alive.
Oh, you got quiet. I thought you died. I was like, what the hell?
I gotta keep track of how many bullets I got now. Oh. Only 5. I got 5.
Who's that man laying in front of you?
What? There's no one laying in front of me.
I can clearly see a person laying in front of you.
I'm between the doorway.
I see you there, Payne.
You talking about the bald man?
Yeah, he was just laying there.
I have no idea.
You didn't throw that very far, Pat. What the hell? He threw it at his feet by accident. Probably on top.
It is on top.
I figured. Hey, we're getting shot at. Darth. He's up there. Oh, ain't over there. Alright, cool.
Oh, I
Fire
clicked.
won't go out. What the hell? There we go.
I clicked. And then I was reloading.
Did you die?
Yeah, I died. I clicked and I did it.
Good
Let me
shit.
just go ahead and get the macro off.
Yeah, you should probably have a Makarov.
Or just, you know, bigger magazines.
I'm gonna die here. I can already feel it. Somebody's gonna run up and explode.
Where you at?
Right here.
Huh.
You gotta get a Val? How do you have a Val already?
What do you mean? That was only 6 points.
We are waiting for it, that's right.
I got one more shot, then you have to take over. Oh. Did I hit him? Don't know. I think I
don't know.
missed. Yeah, I missed.
Something bounced off the wall beside me.
I missed twice.
I'm gonna go up top next round.
Alright.
Just see if they can get up there with me on there.
I'm not doing as good as I think I am.
Teammate was right behind you trying to get through that doorway or block you. I don't know which one. We got shot by an enemy and ran the fuck away.
Oh. Alrighty then.
Oh boy.
They can see you before I can see them. Shot in the face.
It's fine. I'm just gonna...
Actually, might be alright up here.
I don't know if I want to be over here.
What?
I said I don't know if I want to be over here.
Ah. Oh, he died. I died.
No.
My gun wouldn't go to the side for some reason. I think I was stuck on the box. Oh, well.
Everybody still alive down there?
I don't know. Yeah, looks like it. Me and Twinkle Toes is there. Cap died.
Ah, damn it. I didn't even see him. I'm blind. Alright, I'm blind. Ah, there's still plenty of people there.
Yeah. Maybe. See how it goes.
Pat, what the fuck was he doing?
I don't know, man.
Yo, hey, love you now.
Death Cheese. Darth Cheese has camo. Oh no.
It's mean shit in this game. You can't get camo by hitting the money.
Yep.
Enemy up ahead. Okay, good.
Let's see.
Put her on, boys.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
I'll go back to where I was. It was an ideal spot.
Can I help you? I got my face in.
Cause I'm a rocket man.
I'm pour a knife and fucking shank you. I don't give a shit. Go about your business. Quit shooting through the fucking wall at me, you piece of shit. Blind. Perfect.
Got RPG.
6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 seconds I was blind for.
What? I almost shot you.
Why are you trying to shoot me for, Payne?
I don't know.
What did I do to you?
I was about to shoot the enemy you killed, and then you walked directly in him.
So violent.
I know.
No reason. No reason.
Good RPG. Good RPG.
There's another one right here.
Oh. Oh, I was thinking about it.
I was too. I was pointing right at you and I went up in there. What the okay, I just fell over dead. I was between two boxes, so the only thing that shot me was from the front, and my head just went. I didn't see what the fuck happened or anything.
Huh?
That's cool. I was doing pretty good right there though. Darth Cheese didn't shoot the fucking suicide bomber, so he exploded on his face. Yeah, I meant it that way.
I wish I got people alive there. Nice.
This Twinkle Toes is gonna die over here. You can catch a grenade, watch him.
You could. You might.
Oh, I've seen him do it twice already. In the same exact fucking spot. It was supposed to be in a rocket propelled grenade. Same thing. The bullet to the face.
Am I gonna have to go down there?
Not yet. There's 3 of them still there. I guess it's guaranteed win if you stay inside and huddle up and do this kind of stuff pretty much. But if you go outside, you can get them before they get to you, and it's kind of more entertaining sometimes. But we ain't got a good enough team to do that. So. I mean, they lost, what, twice before we even got in here?
Oh no.
I thought they were still alive.
Oh, we might be cooked.
I thought they were still alive.
I don't know what happened there.
Affirmative.
What happened? Did the 3 of you die? Alright, just don't respond. That's cool.
I'm ready. Hey, I need a pickup. Yeah, he's
Not
down.
here. Too many people.
I know.
Wonder if they're gonna come this way.
Asshole! No, man, no!
Yep, no stairs over here for me. Perfect, right. I thought they fucking shot a grenade at me. I was like, you bastards.
Alright.
Jesus!
I died. So don't know fucking how. There's a guy fucking looking through the wall still where I died at. That piece of shit.
Fucking thing about it.
another guy, I think. Nope. I like how he died, even though he's in more cover than you, probably.
Yeah.
I
Am
got
I the
shot
only?
through a wall. The guy just poked his fucking gun through the wall
Oh,
and hit me
God.
back in the head. Damn.
Damn. That motherfucker said, fuck that.
Ah, right then.
38, 8, and 3. Not too bad.
Me and Pat with the OG2. Me and Pat with the OG2.
That's the reason he lost. Don't celebrate that.
Hey man, maybe you guys should give in sooner. Maybe we would've won.
You
Probably.
would have.
Good
But
GG
there's no,
anyway.
there is no probably would have. Would have been Pat. Push past A and B.
Don't celebrate that. Y'all lost.
Ah,
The fuck?
the hell. Alright. I got 73 kills though. That's good.
Who? You?
Yeah.
That's a lot. I
Is
was in
it-
the corner half the time.
I tried something different. I went off the objective for fucking that one for like 3 rounds.
I did too. So I didn't do that good at that. The top of it part I did. Alright, so I got shot in the head somehow, randomly. Twice. I don't understand how that worked out, but whatever.
Yeah.
That's just how it goes sometimes.
It's just like a yesterday's match.
Yeah, that
in
was bullshit,
prison.
though. He fucking just put his gun through the wall. The wall is
He did.
bulletproof, so the gun goes through the wall to the barrel post at the other side and then shoots you. Like,
That
that's
gun
not-
would,
that's
that gun,
not
the
cool.
SKS was not long enough to do that.
It probably is. It's a pretty long gun,
Yeah.
but that's still bullshit.
That was a pretty thick pillar too.
Hey, I was like, I can't shoot through this, so yeah, now I can.
I'm gonna make it where I can. Oh no, my marksman.
I can't shoot through it, so I'll reach through it. Like, okay, that's fair, I guess, Mr.
Mr.
AI
Postman.
man.
I got a pistol.
Pistol.
Yo,
I got
yo,
a pistol.
let's do this.
You know, right.
Good focus. Good focus.
Yeah, little people. He's quick. Why the fuck are they so fast?
What do you mean?
Before he even started shooting at me, he come out zigzagging. He was like, ah, he knew where the fuck we was looking at him already.
That's a more natural thing to do.
Not really. I ain't gonna move that much and make that much unnecessary movement before I do it if somebody's looking at me. I also wouldn't silhouette myself above this little hill in front of all these trees with a nice bright light behind it either. Let me go over the other side over there. Why did you do that? That's you over there?
I missed.
Man,
I hate shotguns so fucking much. I missed that shot despite the fact he was right on me. Fuck that gun.
sorry, where?
Stop that. Stop shooting.
Ow.
Mortify, why?
I was so far away from that fire.
Yeah, I died right there on those
Sir?
steps to your left. I had a shotgun. I was laying down. He walked over. I shot. He shot me. He had a Mosin. And I missed. He did not. That was my shotgun.
Nobody could come up now.
No.
Oh shit.
Alright.
Where you at, you fuckers? I killed a man with your shotgun, Payne.
Nice.
Okay, let's do it.
I got an AKS now. 74 U.
Good one. Name? Let me have my fucking class. There you go.
What the hell? You took my kill.
Hang on.
That's my kill. I must shot the same teammate again.
That's fair. I'm glad you took that. Get out the way. Jesus. I just started shooting. I was like, whatever. If you die, you die.
I put 4 times on this gun.
Okay.
A PSO. Yep.
Okay, good.
How you liking my gun?
That's alright.
Yeah. It works. It works.
Border.
Sort of about.
Every window's bulletproof until it breaks, apparently.
The walls are not.
Oh, the walls are bulletproof. They always put their gun through the wall and shoot you. I can drop that guy through that tree. Fuck him. Tree's not adequate cover, sir. Wish I had a little palm tree. They're pretty fucking squishy. Oh, what the fuck, Payne? Where'd you go? Jesus. I thought you was out there.
Nah.
I turned around with a fucking enemy out there.
Nah.
There's like 5 guys out there. What the fuck? You can't even see where the fuck you're aiming. You're just scrolling around trying to find them. Where
What
the
you
fuck did he
mean?
come from?
I don't know.
He just snuck up behind you and shot you in the ass. These enemies are getting fucking squirrely. I don't understand. They're being weird. They're putting shit through walls and like just coming up out of nowhere.
They're cheating. They're just teleporting.
What the fuck just happened? You didn't let me die. We've been out there with you, but no.
No.
Fucking two guys looking the way that guy came from. They didn't see that guy in the bright ass white shirt run up and shoot me in the face.
I can't say nothing about that. I wasn't over there.
Nah, that's your fault.
What? How's that my fault?
That's it, your fault. Good enough. Good enough. Like, what? I don't think that is, sir.
Mm.
Why is he standing right there where clearly he's going to be shooting at? There's great colonies of bullets as soon as I see somebody in that direction. What was that? Bomber far out. Where? No enemy over here. Oh god, he's fast. What the fuck? Fucking the Flash running around. What the fuck is flying nowhere? What am I getting shot? If you shoot me from so fucking far away, I'm gonna be pissed off.
Yep.
What you yapping about?
Yep.
You see my gun?
It's just a bigger version of mine, that's it.
It's a very big version of yours.
Just a bigger version.
It's very effective. I don't know how it goes to close quarters, but it's very effective. I should be able to switch scopes with this and use the iron sight.
Yeah.
Then when there's smoke. sir. I'm sorry. I actually have a pretty decent scope. I'm not used to using it. But that's alright. Laying down, sitting up like that? What the fuck? That was weird. He was laying straight down, but his body was sitting straight up. How can they run and shoot so fucking accurately?
Do not know.
Cheating bastards.
Combat knife someone. Yeah. Combat knife someone.
Stab someone? It's nice, right? You fuck! He came from the other side. I couldn't flip around fast with that big ass scope. Oh, everybody's dying in suicide bombers. Holy shit!
That's why you just unscope and then just turn your
Well,
mouse
you know,
slightly.
By the time I unscoped, he was right there beside me because he ran around a corner. That little alleyway over there, he came through there. To your left.
Oh, I forgot that fucking door was there.
Gotta unscope.
Yeah, you gotta unscope.
That's why you unscope.
Oh, God. I totally forgot that door was there.
So they hit the fucking really good hit squad that time.
Relax, we got this.
They weren't fucking playing.
I forgot about that fucking door. Ah.
The hubris. Hubris. Of man's folly. I guess I could have used the same scope. Yeah, I could use the same scope.
Okay.
Good enough.
Yeah, you can post up right here and just get them while they're coming down the little runway.
Where are you gonna be at?
I'm gonna be off to your right over here.
I thought you was trying to get me to go over there. I was like, what?
I was trying to get you to come over here.
Oh, so.
Reloading weapon.
chain scopes back to that little thing too. Yeah.
Yeah. How we doing over here?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Doing good.
Your little baby version of my gun. He's cute.
How many bullets your gun holds?
That's 75.
Okay. Mine holds 50.
Uh-huh. That's
Damn.
cute.
I should shoot you. Ooh, shoot in your head. But I'm not. I'm a good fella.
I'm trying to think about murdering right now. It's like, oh yeah. Nobody's coming to that door, man. They know I can see the door. What the
Oh.
fuck?
Fucking son
Alright.
RPG'd over here, jeez. Bitch.
That being for itself for a bit. You good?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
I'm
gotta say fuck.
Bitch, don't even try to throw that grenade over here. Oh, there, brother.
Sorry. There's a guy sitting there. I can't shoot him, but I'm fucking reloading. Perfect. Where you at, you little bitch? You stay your fucking ass somewhere else, Pat. You wouldn't push up on you so fucking hard. I have a clear area just to fucking spray into him, but no. Now it's crawling up RPG.
I'll just do better with a fucking single shot. Single fire.
I can see that because you ain't got a bipod.
Oh. Nice.
We're just one.
And how many objectives did we lose? One.
Yeah, that's about it.
That is it. We just lost one.
I got 102 kills.
I got 64.
Nice.
I did die twice.
I did too. Got 16 assists. You got 19.
Mm-hmm.
You kept wounding people with that fucking little gun of yours.
All it does is
shot from so far away. And you're like, what
Yeah.
the fuck? Ah,
all it
keep
does
on
is
going.
wound them. That's a bad thing about it.
I went random. I don't want to do that one. Awesome. Fuck that. You get off that pain.
No, I will not. Someone else wants it too.
You vote for Citadel, you're a bitch.
One more vote for Citadel.
He's kind of a bitch. There he goes. He fully committed.
Yeah.
Me too.
Oh.
Alrighty then.
Yep.
Oh, I went back to the main menu. What happened?
You back at the main menu?
Yeah. The game
Oh.
just stopped. Nothing works now.
Okay then.
I'll exit the game.
Shit.
Alrighty then.
Yeah, I'm back at the main menu too.
My Steam Cloud is updating. I have no internet connection. Currently.
Oh.
Through Steam.